Well, good rainy Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a showing off good Monday and a good start to a new week. But I'm here to tell you, in East Central Mississippi, we are predicted to have rain all week, and that's a good thing because, Lord, we could use it over here. But what I'd like to make mention of, if you are new to the channel, I sure enough want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here in the sticks, it's always something. I thank y'all for coming back. What I wanted to share with you and y'all today is we're gonna do an all-around video today. I've done some cool stuff over the weekend. I want to show you what's going on in the raised bed garden. So heck, give me a second and that's what we're finna do. All right, Lord of mercy, before we get started, Dan, where you been? Well, I'm here to tell you, old Dan took him a little hiatus from creating. I just unplugged for a couple of days because I just needed a break. I had so many things that I had to do, especially grass cutting. And with the temperatures being so high, it's just almost impossible to cut grass during the day. You have to wait early in the morning or late in the evening. So, hey, unplugging is good. And that's what I did. So let's move on. I'm gonna tell you what I did over this weekend. Remember that smoker that used to occupy that area right there? Well, guess what? That Oklahoma Joe smoker found itself a new home. That smoker, it sat there for about 9 years on my back deck. It takes up a lot of area, or a lot of space because it is a big smoker. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have to do something with the smoker. I gotta move it because I don't use it anymore. I use my pit barrel cooker more than anything. So what did old Dan do? He took a trip to Tennessee and he went and visited Mr. Andy at Andy's Tennessee Life and Homestead. Also got to see CG, the country girl, again, and I actually met 3 other YouTube channels that showed up over there. Mr. Nathan over at Sampson Farms, I met him and his wife and his family. Rent to Grown and Mud Pie Girl 2 was there also. So I got to meet a couple of other YouTube channels and that was really cool. And again, I was taking a break from creating, so I didn't shoot any video. I think I took maybe one small clip. I'll put it in here now so you can check that out. All right, CG, how the pickles?
Mmm.
Be honest now.
Mmm. Those are delicious, Dan. Crispy, too crunchy. Perfect.
Fermented pickles at that. Say hello, Andy.
Hey, YouTube. Here, try it.
Sampson Farms. Yes. Say hello.
Mud pie too.
Great barbecue. And salad.
Anybody else want a pickle? They're really good.
Andy did a fine job on the Boston butt. But I went ahead and I gave Andy, I loaded it up on my truck over there, and I took a ride out to Tennessee to go visit Andy and CG. It was some good times, got to meet some new channels, and it was just all around good fun. So Andy, yeah, you need to get to smoking something on there, and whatever it is, send something to Dan. All right, in these 16-foot raised beds, Lord of mercy, I have some corn that I need to harvest because it's about time. The tassels have died back, and it's about time. But look at him. That'd be the second sister. And that would be pole beans, and they are coming up all over the place. I was kind of worried there for a minute because of the heat and the lack of water, but the pole beans have came up and they are starting to find their way to the corn. Look at there, and look at there. I think this corn will still be able to hold them pole beans up, and that's all right because we're gonna rock on with it. But we definitely need to harvest some of this corn. I think it's gonna be good to go, to be honest with you. Take a look. Oh yeah, that will work. And this is the jackpot corn. Kernels look good, and that's okay. I can break off that top. It'll be good to go on that. I'm liking that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on and harvest the rest of this corn. Pole beans came up. Really happy about that. Really happy that we starting to get some rain now, so it's going to help me out with watering, especially during the day, because Lord of mercy, for the last couple of weeks we've been hitting triple-digit temperatures. So give me a second, I'll bring you right back. All right, I ended up with about 12 ears of corn, and I'm here to tell you, this is that jackpot corn. I don't know how y'all feel about corn, but this is a sure enough good sweet corn. And it's good raw. So y'all, I'm gonna go on and try to finish swallowing and eating my corn. But again, I hope everybody is having a good Monday, and I hope y'all having a safe one. What I'm gonna do is, the channels that I met over at in Tennessee, I'm gonna put the links to them down in the description. Y'all go over there, pay them a visit if you want to. Pretty sure it's gonna be some good stuff. Pay them a visit and check out their content. If you like it, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like eating corn. With that being said, you know it's coming down. Reference sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.